Let's start our journey again with the paragraph. Paragraph is another option to make sure everything is good looking as a paragraph in your computer and in your text or in your Word document. So in the paragraph, let's start with the thing that I wanted, okay? The thing that is first priority. The thing that is first priority is right to left, left to right, or right to left text direction. If you're writing Persian, Arabic, or some other languages, so you have to switch to right to left text direction to this. But if you're using some right to left, so like English that I'm right now currently using, is really it should be left to right. So that's the first thing priority you should really do. Another is about the alignment. So right now this is the left alignment. You can do it to the center, or you can do it to the right. And also, it's also possible for you to do that with the shortcuts. So you can do that with the shortcuts anytime, anywhere. So it's very easy. Control E, Control R, and this one is Control L. And we have also justify low, medium, high. So you can manage it. For example, if you want to justify, so you can click and it's justify. So it justifies the text for you in paragraph to look nicer and to look more really aligned and ordered. So that's the thing I wanted you to really know. And justify low, medium, high, they are just their level. We have also managed settings for the spacing. We have 1, 1.5, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. And that's all the spacing between lines. We have also add space B for paragraph. As you can see, it add and remove space after paragraph. You can see right now the effect. So these are very important to know. And also we have indentation to do, so we can indent a particular a particular thing we wanted, like for example a text or a paragraph or anything I want or you want. Also we have something like called shading. Shading is really like shading like background. Okay, you can see right now. For example, let's say let's go with this and title and pick up this one as the background and make it really look black, so in that way it looks nice. So there you go, and making it to the center. So this looks amazing right now, right? And I can add it more and add space before paragraph. You can see right now it looks amazing. So that's the job of indentation. Indents, decrease indent or increase indent. Also shading. We have also another job to have in here is like top bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, as you can see the effect. And we have also inside border, outside border, everything in here is available for us. I will cover these things in later on as we go through the course, so don't worry. But as you'll know, you already know this much, okay? And we have also sorting, like you can sort by paragraph or anything as a text or as a number or as a data, or you can say ascending or descending, and that's pretty easy. You can do that. And now we have one thing, okay, to list. We have order list and unordered list. So this is the order list, the numbering, I call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or ABC, or this Roman number. I don't know, it's Roman or something else. So let's say, for example, 1. So you can say option 1, option 2, option 3. You have also available like bullet point, and this is gonna be checked as unordered list, so you can switch to any you want it. All right, there you go. Yeah. So that's the thing you can use in your own document to change the whole thing you wanted, as for example, this part or maybe this part. And I should say you that you can also change the list level with tab, using tab key, and you can see right now I hit a tab. Also, you can change it using here. You can change to any level you want it. For example, this level or this level or this level. Also, you can define new number formats. You can click in here and you can define new number format from a specific font. In here you can change in here or in here, doesn't matter. But this is the complex script, this is the Latin text. Okay, so I will talk about it in the next lecture. You can change the alignment, for example, right, and then that's it really. Right, and then you can pick up, for example, this part. This is the complex script. And that's it really. So you can define new lists as well in here. We have also other something else like in here, different lists. So any particularly in your own, depending on your own work, you can choose to decide really which or list, which listing, which numbering, and which listing is good for your own. You might go with numbering or you might go with bullet points. So it depends on your work. All right, I think we did miss something, and that is this paragraph. Show paragraph or show hide paragraph. Whenever you say something, whenever you type something and you wanted to see what paragraph you made, what space you made, all of that, so you can click on this and it shows you where you entered, where you had some space, where you had something else. So you can see I had an enter in here. I had space in here. So it shows you completely what you are doing in the text in the formatting. So that's amazing with this. I think this one really is stayed for us. Let's go with the paragraph setting in here. So let's click in here and we have two part, okay, indent and spacing. Now this doesn't belong to us right now, okay? Let's go with the indent and spacing only. We have alignment. Again, we had alignment. This is the same thing as this alignment. There's no big difference. Outline text. This is for outlining the text we can see right now. This is outline level, okay? You can see that, and you can do that as well into the normal text. You can have it as a level 1, 2, or 3. And let's leave it a body text because body text is what we wanted. And you can have as a direction indentation. And we have also indentation before text, after text, and we have a special first line in hang. Mirror indents as well. And so that changes really. We have a spacing before, after, and we have line spacing as well. So that's the paragraph setting that we have in the part of paragraph setting. Most of them are useful that you can use them to make the paragraph nicer and to fit the needs of your document you want it.